Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Black Shark Pad SE, and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we need to scroll in this left section and find the display. Then let's scroll and find screen timeout and tap on it. And here we've got some options from which we can choose. At the top, relatively short options, and at the bottom, the longest, which is 30 minutes, I mean in time options, or never, which means that your device will never black out automatically. So all you need to do is to tap on the option black to use. I'll pick 10 minutes. So just tap on it. Here we need to confirm everything with our screen lock, so just do it. And as you can see right now, it is immediately marked, and it is also notified right here, which means that from now on, after 10 minutes of inactivity, this device will black out. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.